Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Today we are going to start with the civics lesson that is on equality. On equality. What does the word equality mean? Can anybody describe me the word equality?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
equal.
equality,
Ma'am,
ma'am, equality means the
One at
state
a
being
equal.
equal. Ma'am,
one.
I tell Bhumika.
Ah, yes.
Ma'am, equality means the state being equal.
Yes, Bhumika.
Yes, ma'am, equality means the state being equal.
Yes. Anybody else?
Ma'am, which is now, ma'am, Nena.
Yes, Nana.
Ma'am, equality means, ma'am, we have to means behave with everyone as a equal. No one is the small or big. Everyone is equal only.
Good, good, good. Anybody else? Yes, somewhat.
Ma'am,
Bhumika, Nana, both are telling.
ma'am,
Yes, Dhaval.
ma'am, equality means justice.
Equality means justice. Yes, in one way or the other, you are means defining equality uh, in elaborate form. As simple terms, में if we say equality means equal opportunities, equal benefits, equal facilities given to each and every one without any means discrimination between caste, color, creed, religion, without making any discrimination. Everybody is treated equally. Clear? Everybody
Yes,
is
ma'am.
treated equally. सबको समान अधिकार मिला है. सबको समान रूप से मीन्स समानता का अधिकार मिला और सब चीज समान उनको लॉ बिफोर इक्वल बिफोर लॉ ऑल्सो. So everything they are means treated equally in the country and everywhere in the society also. So today we are going to read about this only equality in this first lesson. Now India is a democracy. India is a democracy. The lesson begins with this democracy. What does the word democracy mean?
Ma'am, Nena, should I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, democracy means which is not ruled by the people to represent their representatives, to elect the representatives.
Very good. Very good. Ruled by the
The
representatives
people
and
have the right to elect their representatives.
very good. And those representatives are chosen by the people only. So
People.
no rule of king is there, no rule of queen is there, but it is in a democratic form of government. People themselves choose the representatives, and those representatives, those people form the government. So India is a democracy. India is a democratic form of government. In the class sixth book, we looked at the key elements of democratic government. Now, in class 6, you might have understood about the word democracy, and you have also read about the key elements, main features of a democratic form of government. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
these includes participation, the resolution of conflict, and equality and justice. So these are the key elements, main important things which should be present in the democratic form of government. That is participation, people's participation. When people will not participate in where they want their participation should be in participating in the casting of their votes, है ना? To choose the
Yes,
representative.
ma'am.
So people participation is very much necessary. The resolution of conflict means any conflict is there among the citizens or among the citizens and the government or anywhere any type of conflict arises in a democratic form of government, then it should be properly resolved. Resolved means sort out. Clear? And then
Yes,
equality and
ma'am.
justice. Equality and justice is also the key features of democratic form of government. Equality means everybody should be treated equally in a democratic form of government, whether he or she is of any caste, color, creed. And justice also means justice should be provided to each and everyone without any giving importance to any background or any religion or any caste. clear. So justice will be provided to each and everyone, whether he or she is holding a high office in the government or he is a common man. कोई या तो कॉमन मैन हो या हाई ऑफिस में हो, अगर उसने कोई मींस लॉ ब्रेक किया है तो दे विल बी ट्रीटेड इक्वली इन द आईज ऑफ लॉ और उनको पनिशमेंट भी इक्वली मिलेगा. So equality and justice are also the key feature of democratic form of government. I hope till here it is clear. Now equality is the
Yes,
key
ma'am.
feature of
Yes,
democracy.
ma'am. It
You
is
can
clear.
underline this, which is the key feature of democracy. Equality. Equality is
Equality.
समानता. In Hindi we say समानता. समानता का अधिकार मीन्स सब लोग एक समान हैं. Now, equality is a key feature of democracy and influences all aspects of its functioning. Means it influences also all the aspects of function. Means wherever the people are there, whether they are in the society, they are in the community, everywhere equality is practiced in India. So before continuing the lesson, first I want to remind you, those who have not typed present in the chat box with the name, please type present in the chat box. Before I continue the lesson, please type present in the chat box.
Ma'am,
Now in this chapter, you will read more about equality. In this chapter, you will read more about equality, means detailed study of equality. You are going to do what it is, why it is important in a democracy, and whether or not everyone is equal in India. Now we will read about what is equality, why it is important, the importance of equality, and whether or not everyone is equal in India. Means we are always talking about equality, equality, equality. हम हमेशा बात करते हैं इक्वालिटी. हमारे भारत में सबको इक्वल समान अधिकार है, सबको इक्वली ट्रीटेड किया जाता है. बट वेदर इन रियलिटी दिस हैपेंस सो और नॉट, सचमुच में एक्चुअली पीपल आर ट्रीटेड इक्वली और नॉट, we will read about in this lesson. So let's begin by looking at Kanta's story. अब एक बार कांता की स्टोरी देखते हैं हम. On election day, Kanta and her friend Sujata are waiting to cast their vote. Now Kanta and Sujata, Kanta and Sujata, both are the friends. They are waiting to cast their vote. Isn't it good, Suja, that we can all vote as equal citizens of our country? Both are talking among themselves. That is it not good that they are treated equally, and that is why both have been given equal opportunities to cast the vote for their country. Even Jain Sahab is standing in the line with us. Now they are talking that Jain Sahab means I think one personality is there in this story which is having a high standard, little bit high category. Then they are telling that everyone, that is even the Jain Sahab is standing in the line. Means हम लोग तो खड़े ही खड़े हैं और साथ में जैन साहब भी खड़े हैं. तो both the women Sujata and uh, Kanta, both are talking among themselves. Now you can see here in the line, Manjeet Kaur teacher, Teja Singh is a trader, Girish Rao is student, Kanta Devi is a domestic worker, Sujata Kumari is a domestic worker. So domestic worker, student, trader, teacher, all are standing in a same line to cast the vote. No differentiation is there कि नहीं आप लो कास्ट के हो या डोमेस्टिक वर्कर हो, you will form a different line. You are a teacher or educated class, you will form a different line. This is not happening. Everybody is standing in a same queue. एक ही line में खड़े हैं to cast the vote. This shows the equality there. Go on, Kanta. It's your turn now. Now they are talking that Sujata is telling that now Kanta, it's your turn to cast the vote. I will vote for the candidate who has promised to bring pipe water to our area. Now Kanta is saying that I will cast the vote. Means it is up to you, it depends upon you to whom you want to cast the vote, for whom you want to cast the vote. आप किसको vote cast करना means आप किसको choose करना चाहते हो as a representatives that can form a government and then that can listen to your problems and sort out to your problems. That person will be only the suitable person to which you can cast the vote. आप उसी person को cast करोगे vote, उसी person को vote दोगे जो आपकी जो problems है वो sort out कर सकता है. The same way Kanta is saying that पाइप जो वाटर का हमारे एरिया में लेकर आएगा, वाटर लेकर आएगा वाटर, वही उसी को मैं वोट करूंगी. Now here also the line is long, queue is long, that Abdul Rahman, teacher is standing, Shubham, Shabnam Bano, housewife, Gracie Liang, consultant, Isaac Liang, governor officer, government officer, Ruxana, media person, Yograj, employed, Ashok Jain, that is the Mr. Jain, about whom they were talking about in the first part. That is, Jain Saab is standing. So here is Jain Saab. They have seen that Jain Saab is also standing. Ashok Jain, an industrialist. So now afterwards, we'll see you later, Kanta. Yes, Namaste Sahab. That means they all have cast the vote and now they are leaving the booth, polling booth. Gudiya has been running fever and I have to take her to the hospital, but I will have to finish the work at Sahab's house first and ask for some advance. Now what happened? They are talking among themselves. Kanta is saying that his daughter is facing severe fever condition where she is having severe fever, and that is why she has to take her to the hospital, and she will ask a leave for means to go early to his sahib, and will also ask for the advance because might be they will need a money for the treatment of the daughter. Clear? Please switch off your both. Now at home, here have some of this, you'll feel better, and when I get back in the evening we'll go to the hospital. Okay, so Kanta is also taking care of the daughter, giving something to drink, and then he is promising she is promising daughter that in the evening where she'll be back, they will go to the hospital. But it's no wonder that Gudiya falls ill often. The basti is never clean. Now, why Gudiya, the daughter of Kanta, often falls ill? Because the basti, in which basti means the living area, the filthy area in which they are living, वो कच्ची बस्ती जो है जहाँ पर वो बहुत ही ज्यादा गंदी है, साफ सफाई नहीं होती है वहाँ की, इसीलिए often the people fell ill over there living in the people who all are living there. Make sure to do the corners properly. Now they are doing. He's a maid. She is a maid है तो ये घर की साफ सफाई का काम कर रही है. Here's your advance Kanta, but don't make a habit of it. No madam. अब कांता को ये पैसे दे रही है, इसकी जो जिसने इनको अपॉइंट करा है एज ए सर्वेंट, वो उनको पैसे दे रही है एंड टेलिंग दैट ये एक तरीके से आप डोंट मेक अ हैबिट. कांता, बी अवेयर दैट यू डोंट मेक अ हैबिट टू आस्क अगेन एंड अगेन द एडवांस. Now that evening, just few more minutes, Betty, Jane Madam and Jane Saab may stand in line to vote, but they never have to do it when their children are sick. Means when their children are sick, they often don't go to the don't go to cast the vote. Now equal right to vote. The story above begins with Kanta standing in a line to cast her vote. Now Kanta is standing where? Kanta is standing in the polling booth. पोलिंग बूथ में खड़ी है वो टू कास्ट हर वोट. Look again at the various people who are standing in the line with her. Kanta recognizes her employer. Now Kanta recognizes her employer means under which she was working in the house. She was working. Now Ashok Jain and Chote Lal, her neighbor in the democratic country like India, all adults, irrespective of what religion they belong to, how much education they have had, and what caste they are, or whether they are rich or poor, are allowed to vote. Now, in a democratic country, this is a surety made in India that whether you belong to any caste, any religion, or whether you are educated or uneducated, everybody has the right to vote. Everybody is allowed to vote in India, to cast the vote. Whether you are rich, you are poor, whether you are educated or illiterate, whether you belong to high caste or low caste, means no matter you belong to any caste background or any means social background you are having, but you have the right to vote. This, as you have already read in class 6 book, it is universal adult franchise. So now what is universal adult franchise? What is universal adult franchise?
Ma'am, universal adult franchise is all adult in the country have right to vote.
Yes.
Vote.
All
Ma'am,
adult,
all adults in the society have right to vote.
Right
yes,
to vote.
yes. We are talking about all adults in the country have right to vote. ठीक है ना? So all adult,
Yes.
adult means a time, means age limit is also there, na? Age limit is there. Which age people
Yes,
can?
ma'am.
18 plus.
Ma'am,
18
18
plus.
plus.
18
18
and
plus.
18 and above 18. So 18 and above 18, those who are 18 years and above 18, and those who are citizens of India, those who are residing here, uh, they are allowed to vote, and that is why that is called as universal adult franchise, and is an essential aspect of all democracies. And this is an essential aspect, means important feature of a democratic society. अगर हमारी democratic form of government है, so that means it should be universal adult franchise should also be there, that people should be allowed to cast the vote. The idea of universal adult franchise is based on the idea of equality. Now, this idea of universal adult franchise means everybody has equal right to vote, is based on the idea of equality, means it states that every adult in our country, it states that every adult in our country, irrespective of their wealth, irrespective of their wealth means चाहे वो rich हो चाहे वो poor हो, and the communities she belong to, he or she belong to, चाहे कोई भी community की हो, वो कोई भी caste community की हो, as has the one vote, उनको एक वोट देने का अधिकार है, means one person one vote is there. Kanta is excited to vote and happy that she is equal to all of the others because each of them has one vote. Now Kanta is also happy. Why? Because she is a domestic worker, and as she is a domestic worker, she is very happy that like others, she also has a right to vote, and her vote has also equal value. That means everybody, other citizens are also having uh, right to one vote, and same way Kanta is also having the right to one vote. Even her vote has equal value. उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंस रखता है उसका वोट देना जितना कि अदर लोगों का, दूसरे लोगों का. But as her days goes on, Kanta becomes less certain about what this equality really means. But जैसे जैसे दिन बीतते गए, Kanta becomes less certain about what this equality really means. उनको उसको थोड़ा बहुत doubtful area में हो गई वो कि exactly what the equality means, what the word equality means. What is it that makes Kanta unsure? अब ये क्या चीज है जिससे उसके मन में एक तरीके से डाउट आया कि are we really treated equally in our country? Looking at to this when in during the election, उसको लगा कि हाँ we are treated equally, और उसको लगा कि हाँ हमें equal समान treatment मिल रहा है, like other people also of high caste, whether religion, other religion also, everybody is treated equally, everybody is standing in the same line, everybody is casting one vote only. But as the time passed, a little doubt came in the mind of Kanta. Now why does this doubt came in the mind of Kanta? Let's take a look at the day in her life. Now we will take a look of the day in her life. अब उन्होंने पूरा दिन क्या वो करती है जिससे उसके दिमाग में, उसके माइंड में ये बात आई कि we are not treated equally. She lives in a slum. Slum means कच्ची बस्ती जो होती, गंदी बस्ती, द एरिया, फिल्दी एरिया, जहाँ पर बहुत ही गंदा एरिया है एक तरीके से,
And the area which is not clean properly.
which is not clean, which is not hygienic, plus the sanitation is not proper over there, and people live there, means lower class people, the working class, which are not having their own homes, proper homes and all, they start living at the side of road corner, side में रोड के रहने लग जाते हैं, और एक जना आकर रहता है तो सब जने वहीं आकर रहने लग जाते हैं थोड़े थोड़े करके. And you might have also seen this situation, this condition near your means while you are on a visit anywhere, मतलब इधर उधर कहीं आप जाते हो रोड पे, जब घूमते हो तब आपने देखा होगा कि रोड साइड में, रोड के कितने ऐसे लोग बैठे रहते हैं थोड़ा सा टेंट डाल करके, और वहाँ गंदगी है खूब सारा, है ना. एंड हैज अ ड्रेन बिहाइंड हर हाउस. अब क्या है, शी इज लिविंग इन अ स्लम, गंदी कच्ची बस्ती में रह रही है, एंड ड्रेन बिहाइंड हर हाउस, उसके घर के पीछे क्या है, एक ड्रेन है, वेयर द वाटर from all the houses can be taken out. ठीक है ना, drain. Her daughter is sick, but she cannot take a day off from work because she needs to borrow money from her employers to take her child to the doctor. Ab Kanta's daughter is very much ill, and she is not able to take also off, मीन्स छुट्टी भी नहीं ले सकती है, बिकॉज शी नीड्स टू बोरो द मनी, वो उसको पैसा मनी की जरूरत है टू टेक हर चाइल्ड टू द डॉक्टर. हर जॉब एज अ डोमेस्टिक हेल्प ड्राइव्स हर आउट, एंड फाइनली शी एंड्स हर डे बाय अगेन स्टैंडिंग इन अ लॉन्ग लाइन. एंड first of all she was standing in a line to cast the vote, and finally she is standing in a line, standing in a long line.
फटा हुआ
Hello,
है, फटा हुआ है,
switch off your
आधा है.
switch off your mic. Everybody switch off your mic. So her job as a domestic help drives her out, and finally she ends her day by again standing in a long queue. So her job, Kanta's job is as a domestic worker, means घर घर जाकर के वो काम करती हैं, और दिन भी उनका लाइन में खड़ा हुआ बीता, एंड पूरा लास्ट the end days also with the standing while she was standing in a long queue. Now this line in front of the government hospital, this time she was standing in front of the government hospital. Previously she was standing in the polling booth, now she is standing in front of the government hospital. Is unlike the one in the morning, because most of the people standing in it are poor. Now here in government hospital, when she is standing here in front of the government hospital, she now finds out that most of the people who are standing in front of the government hospital with her are the poor people. Clear? So this makes comes in his mind that equality is not there. पहले तो वो ऐसी लाइन में खड़ी हुई तो everyone educated, uneducated, rich, poor, everyone was there in the line to cast the vote. Now where she is standing in front of the government hospital, at that place only most of the people are poor. Now in our next class we are going to start with this paragraph, other kinds of equality. Till then you read the lesson till here where we have ended today, and if any doubt you can ask me in our next class. Clear? Till
Okay,
then
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.